Man, life ain't nothing to play with. End of the day can be your last. That's why you gotta live your everyday like it's your last. This world, this life shit short, man. Just stay strong, make your money, and provide for your family. And I swear you gonna make it somewhere in life.
What's going on, 14 gang? It's your boy SRT BJ. We back with another video. Hey man, say man, hey man. We back, man. Say look, if you're new to the channel, please do me a huge favor. Go hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, and make sure you go down to the description and follow my YouTube page, man, so you can stay up to date and know when I'm dropping a new video or whoop the woo, whatever. But man, look. Welcome back to another video. I hope y'all really enjoying yourself, because I ain't gonna lie, I'm enjoying myself too with this GoPro. Shout out to my dog Q Nay. Once again, I'm gonna drop his name right here. And just know, man, I surely appreciate you coming through with this GoPro. Man, this is helping me catch so many different angles. This shit crazy, you hear me? So I'm enjoying that experience right now. But right now, man, I just want to take y'all on a ride with me. So this is really a POV type of video. I got a special surprise for y'all at the end. So please stay tuned through the whole video to catch what you know what I'm saying, to see what I got in store at the end. So enough of me talking, man. We're gonna get this video started. Just like I said, if you're new to the channel, please go subscribe so you can be part of this 14 gang. And leave a comment, leave a like. Shit, if you feeling modest, share this thing, you hear me? So none of that, we're gonna get this thing up and rolling. So we out here and we active and attractive, you understand me? That bridge noise up in this video, man. Oh yeah. I hope they caught that, man. Need that. A lot of important stuff inside this package. Like I'm telling y'all, man. Waiting to the end of the video, dog, to find out what the hell is going on, man. Until then, let's continue getting this POV going. For this long, so I feel like it's only right I continue to use it for this last part. Show y'all what I got cooking, man. Y'all right here. Don't mind the trunk. I mean, it really ain't dirty. It's really just tiles. And you know, got them cleats. So you know, if anybody want that action, holla at me. But this is what we get into, the nitty gritty. What's in this package right here? Well, let's find out. Uh-oh, there's some license plates. What y'all think say on them, man? What y'all think that's on them? I'm finna reveal them, man. 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Yes, sir. You know the fucking vibes, man. Big SRT BJ shit, man. Yes, sir. When I tell you we finna go up, we going up, man. Yes. Special order license plate, SRT BJ. So if you ever see me riding around, yes, that's me. Yes, that is me, dog. So look, check this out. I hope y'all enjoyed the ride. I hope y'all stay tuned and stay rocking with the kid. And you know, I'm gonna just catch y'all on the next one. Boy, SRTBJ is out. Peace.